Take a moment to pause this video and read the full problem statement. The objective of this problem is to test hypotheses about a population mean. So we're going to start that process here by stating the null and alternative hypothesis. We are testing about the mean, so I'm going to go ahead and select the population mean here. And from the problem statement, we see that the null hypothesis should be equal to 480 minutes. And what we're trying to test is if this population mean is less than 480 minutes. Next, we're asked to determine the test statistic. Now, there are several ways that we could go about this. I see up here that we've got a table of critical t-values at our disposal, and we also have StatCrunch. So I'm going to use as much technology as possible here and use StatCrunch. So let's open this data in StatCrunch. We'll go to Stat, T-Stats, One Sample, and With Data. Now, if you have questions about why we're selecting this, go back to some of the videos and materials from lesson 10.3. So here I'm selecting where my data are, and I'm going to enter in my hypothesis test information, what we had just entered earlier, and compute. And here I have everything I need to answer this question. So first off, the t-stat is located right here, and I'm going to round that to 2 decimal places. Next, we're asked to determine the range of the p-value, so let's go back and look at that. And here I see the p-value is 0.07, so I'm going to select the best choice, which for this particular problem, the p-value lies between 0.05 and 0.10. And next, I'm asked to interpret this p-value. So what this means is that we would expect a sample mean of 419.9 minutes or less to occur in about every 7.3 of every 100 repetitions of the study. So I would take that number and multiply by 100 here. When we let StatCrunch calculate this p-value for us, what we get is the area that's in this case, the left tail of that distribution, if we were to draw this out. And so again, all that information was there in StatCrunch. Finally, what we're going to do here is write a conclusion based on these results, and we're comparing it to our significance level of 0.05. So what we will do is do not reject the null hypothesis because there is not sufficient evidence to conclude that the mean number of minutes studying is less than 480 minutes.